Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to make product title bold in product page. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to make your Shopify online store more professional, more eye-catching and make it more engageful at your audience, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. So, let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store product page and I wanted to make the product title bold. So before make product title bold, we have to know the benefit of making bold a product title. Okay, so here is the benefit of bold product title: improve visual hierarchy, create a clear distinction between titles and others content, guide customers attention to product name first, enhance readability, increase conversion potential, brand consistency, mobile optimizer. So here is the 5 important benefit of bold product titles. That's why we are going to making bold product title. Okay, to do this, first we have to go to our Shopify admin panel. Here is the Shopify admin panel. Then we have to click on the online store. Okay, then click on this 3 dot icon, edit code, search base, then open base.css file, go to the bottom of this file. Okay, make some space, then simply add a simple code. Here is the ready code: product title H1 font weight bold. Okay, so now the question is that where you will get the code snippet. You will get the code snippet link in the video description. Also, you can simply type this code by yourself by watching this video or look at my screen. Then you can see the code snippet, and easy process is to go to my website e-commerce thesis and copy, then paste it in here. Then simply click on the save. Asset save. Now go back our product page, reload. Wow, it's bold right now. You see, it's bold. So simple and easy. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.